Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install the oneui 8.5 3D app icons on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now I will show you the installation process of the apps. First of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Continue. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you can install any 3D icon style which you like. For now, I will install this one. Then tap on Download. And as you can see, this is the icon pack which we have downloaded. Just tap on it. Then tap on Apply. Now just enable this toggle. Then go back and tap on Apply. Select Don't Show It Again and tap on OK. Select OK. Then tap on OK. From here, just tap on Recent Files, and at the top, you will find the icon pack which we have downloaded. Just tap on it, then select Install. Tap on More Details, and select Install without scanning. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Continue. Now once you download the icon pack, tap on Done. Now to apply the icon pack which we have downloaded, just go to the Google Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on the back button, and from this list, just look for Good Lock. Then tap on it. Tap on Visit Find Lock homepage, and from this list, just look for Good Lock and tap on it. From here, just tap on Download APK. Select Download, then tap on Open File. From here, just tap on Install. And after you install Good Lock on your Samsung phone, then go back to the Find Lock app and tap on Proceed. Now just give this app this permission and tap on OK. Now from this list, just look for Theme Park. Then tap on it. Tap on Visit Find Lock homepage. And from here, just tap on Theme Park. Then tap on Download APK. Select Download. Then tap on Open File. Now from here, just select Install. Then tap on Open. Now at the bottom row of the screen, you will find the option of icons. Just tap on it. Then tap on Create New. From here, just tap on this icon over here and select the icon pack which we have downloaded. Now just tap on the download icon over here, and in this section, just create a name for the icon pack which we have downloaded. I will name it 3D, then tap on OK. As you can see, this is the icon pack which we have created. Now just tap on it and select Apply. And as you can see, we have successfully installed the oneui 8.5 3D icon pack on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can install the oneui 8.5 3D icon pack on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.